Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to cook spicy fried chicken bites wrapped in melted cheese. You may have seen the video doing the rounds from a Korean restaurant that serves spicy fried chicken wrapped in melted cheese. Well, I thought I'd give it a go. To start off, grate a cup of cheddar cheese, followed by a cup of mozzarella. Mix together and set to one side for later. Next, you'll need 2 bowls, one with buttermilk and another with plain flour. Season the flour with 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, finally 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Mix it through the flour. To help make the chicken extra crunchy, add a splash of buttermilk to the flour. Mix it through, making sure to break up any lumps. Next, slice 4 chicken thighs into cubes. This will give us bite-sized pieces. To coat the chicken, use one hand to mix a batch through the buttermilk before transferring it to the flour. Using the other hand, mix the chicken through the flour. By using one hand for wet and the other for dry, you won't end up with large clumps of wet flour on your fingers. Now we need to make the sauce. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup of sriracha, followed by 1/4 cup of ketchup, then 1/4 cup of honey. This honey is from my dad's beehives. You can check out our other series, The Bush Bee Man, here on YouTube. For some savory elements, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Mix it all together. Heat a large pot filled with oil until it reaches a temperature of 365 Fahrenheit or 185 Celsius. Fry the chicken until it's cooked through and the outside is golden brown. This should take about 5 minutes. Drain and tip into a bowl. Next, you'll need a pan over low heat. Cast iron pans will work best for this recipe as it holds its heat longer. Place the cheese in the center. Mix it with a fork until it melts. We don't want a crust on the bottom, so make sure you keep it moving. Pour the sauce over the chicken and toss to coat. Take the pan off the heat and lean to one side. Place the chicken on the other side, and there you have it. Spicy fried chicken bites wrapped in melted cheese. This turned out really good. It's a fun party dish, and if you have a portable hot plate, you can have the element set to low and the cheese will remain melted. To serve up, use 2 forks. Use one to pick up a piece of chicken and the other to wrap the cheese around it. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.